In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view previous sprints on Jira. If you're trying to look back at past sprint activity in Jira, this is a simple process once you know where to find the right section. In many Jira projects, the reports area is not always visible in the main navigation right away, so the goal here is to make that section accessible and then use it to review earlier sprint information. To begin, open your Jira board and look for the plus icon in the navigation area. This option is used to customize what appears in your project's menu. Go ahead and click the plus icon to open those navigation options. After that, find and click on Reports. This is the section that gives you access to sprint-related insights and historical information. If you don't usually see reports in your sidebar or top navigation, that's completely normal. In some Jira layouts, it needs to be added manually before you can access it more easily in the future. Once you've selected Reports, click on Add to Navigation. This will place the Reports section directly into your project navigation, making it much quicker to open again later. This is especially helpful if you regularly review completed sprint performance, track team progress, or need to reference work from previous iterations. Now that Reports has been added, open the Reports section and scroll until you reach Work Item Details. In that area, you'll be able to see information connected to past sprints. This is where you can review previous sprint data and look back at items that were part of earlier cycles. As you go through this section, take your time scrolling carefully, because depending on your Jira setup, the report view can include several panels and different categories of data. If you don't immediately spot the previous sprint information, continue moving through the Work Item Details area until it appears. A helpful tip is to keep the Reports section pinned in your navigation once you've added it. That way, the next time you need to review old sprint details, you won't have to repeat the setup process. And that's all it takes to view previous sprints on Jira. You click the plus icon, open Reports, add it to your navigation, and then scroll through Work Item Details to find the past sprint information. Once you know where it lives, it becomes much easier to revisit earlier sprint work whenever you need it.